how to fix ghost touch on Android. Now, ghost touch basically refers to the act of your phone touching itself over and over, maybe just touching wherever else, and you're having issues with the display. Now, this could be happening due to many reasons. It could most likely be a hardware damage. So first, you want to forcefully try to restart your phone to see if that's not the case. You can try to long press the power button or just try to restart your phone, and also make sure you're using the latest version of your Android phone that your manufacturer offers. Go to software update, check if you have any sort of update available, and if you have, just ensure that you are using the latest version of the update that is available for you. Now, after this, if you're still having those issues, what you can try to do is make use of high quality charger. It could be that you're charging your phone incorrectly, so during charging also this usually happens a lot of the times, so you want to make sure that it's not happening only while charging. Now, you can also detach your charging cable and you can clean your smartphone's display. Another thing that I wanted to check is check for any damage on the screen. So it could be that there is some kind of crack or a dent on your display that is actually causing that issue, because your phones are not supposed to touch itself. It could also be due to water damages. If your phone was recently covered by a liquid or any substances as such, that could also be causing the issue. If none of the solution works, then the best thing to try to do is, for final solution, you can try to factory reset it, and if that doesn't help either, then you can just try to go ahead and then take it to a nearby local repair center. So I hope this video pretty much helped you understand the reasons of ghost touch and how to prevent it. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.